Hey guys, today I have a beauty box unboxing and this is from Lookfantastic. This is their June beauty box and it's a blue box, looks like the sky, reminds me of the sky actually, and a navy base. So let us open this up together. So it says, individually we are one drop, together we are an ocean. Oh, it's the ocean, not the sea. Okay, so at the top, once again, it comes with this, which is information about the box. It tells you like tips and what the product is, how to use it, what is it for. And then it also comes with June's Elle magazine. Once again, like I said in other boxes, I don't read the magazine, but I keep them because they help me kill ants, which might sound really weird. Oh, it smells really good though. So I've been keeping them and I'm all out. So I'm really glad that I have this. So yeah, honestly, no, I'm not gonna flip through it. So yeah, I'm just not a magazine person. So this is how it looks like, all the blue theme, and I'm gonna break into the tissue paper. Oh, the box looks pretty packed. The items do look like pretty good sizes for this month, and I'm most excited for the makeup box. If they ever come out with a just makeup box, it will be incredible because Singapore does not have a lot of beauty boxes, definitely not a lot of makeup boxes, and they actually offer free shipping if I'm not wrong. I'm going to leave the link below, you can check it out. So I'm just going to look at the first thing here because this is a makeup item, I think. It's either something for the eye or something for the lips, and this is from the brand Studio 10, and it says, well, nothing. It doesn't say the shade name, so I'm just going to dive into my magazine here to see information about this thing. Okay, so while opening this up, I'm looking at the magazine and it says Studio 10 Liquid Foil Eye Radiance. It is a crease-resistant eyeshadow. So liquid eyeshadow, so it has a foil look to it, and you can also use it for layering. You use it upper and lower eyelid, blending with a brush or your fingertip. Definitely a fingertip for me. And you can also use it as a primer under your eyeshadow for long-lasting color. Well, if I'm going to use it as a primer, I definitely would want to test it out first. Well, no strange smell, and let us swatch this. Oh, but they didn't tell me the shade name though. So, it's very glittery. Definitely good for layering because it isn't very intense, and you can just layer something on top to make the sparklers pop even more. So this is how it looks like, very sparkly. It is a gold champagne color, and when applying it, it feels, well, like liquid, but let's just leave it on my hand, and after the end of the video we'll see if this smudges or has this dried down. So that's the first item, and I'm always most excited for the makeup item, so I guess I'm biased because I really like makeup. So the next thing, let's look at this because the packaging is pretty adorable. This is from the brand Real Chemistry. It's the Environmental Rescue Essential Day Cream for a supple luminous glow. So they say use daily. But the weird thing is that I don't see any information on it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. This is number 7. Usually I get 5 or 6 items. So I'm guessing this is like an extra thing. That's why it isn't in the pamphlet itself. So that's nice. For June, we have 7 items. And I really like that. Although it's a sample size, it comes in this really good packaging because you can cap it back so it doesn't dry out. So this is 10 ml, pretty good size, and it's like an extra thing. So the next thing that I have, I see this brand Elemis. I had an Elemis product in my previous box, and I was really surprised when I looked it up at the outrageous price. It was crazy expensive. This is the Elemis Superfood face wash. Good, I like face wash. I'm really glad that because it's a face wash, it is a 30 ml size, and this is really generous. And it says it's a oh wow, it smells super green. It comes with a smoothie of superfoods, including wheatgrass, kale, and nettle. And I can smell the wheatgrass and the kale. It smells very green. This kind of things should be good for the face, and it smells good, and they say that they like to use it as a makeup remover, which is a tip. I wouldn't use it as a makeup remover, but I definitely would use it as a facial wash after I remove my makeup. So I'm really excited for this because Elemis is a brand that I'm interested in because I want to see why can it sell for so much. So the next thing that I have over here, really want to look at this. It's a very generous size. It is from the brand Ritual, the Ritual of Tao, bringing peace and tranquility into your life. Tao, and then they have like the Tao word over here in Chinese. It's a good size because it is a body cream, and the scent is organic white lotus and 薏苡仁. What's 薏苡仁? Oh, 薏薏仁 is some traditional Chinese medicine, and it is a rich and creamy moisturizer. It smells very buttery and like almond and like the beach, like very summer. So they said that because it is now the summer months, so your skin will dry out, so you can use this for moisturizing. Really excited for this. It smells really good. I feel like I can smell it everywhere, so I have a little bit over here. I want to try and test how lightweight it is and how fast it sinks into the skin. Okay, you definitely don't need a lot. It goes a long way, and yeah, not bad. My skin is now matte and isn't tacky. Oh, but it has a weird smell after I blend it out. Next thing in the box, let us look at this thing over here. This is from the brand Christophe Robin. I've heard of this. I think it's pretty expensive. This is the cleansing volumizing paste. So makeup remover, maybe. Let us look on the paper. Oh, I'm so far off. This is one of the top favorites, but it's not for your face, it is for your hair. And you can apply this as a hair, oh wow, the smell. You can apply this as a hair mask, leave it on for 10 to 15 minutes before rinsing to protect and preserve your hair color, which is good because I have colored hair. So you only need to use a tablespoon size of this, work into your scalp, emulsify, and then rinse. It comes with clay and rose extracts, and I definitely can smell the rose, which is good because if this smell can linger in my hair, I'll be really happy. So this is a pretty generous size, 40 ml. Really excited to try this out. I'm glad that we got a mix and it isn't another thing for your face. So the next thing in the box looks big but actually feels pretty light. This is from the brand Madara Organic Skincare SOS Instant Moisture and Radiance Hydra Mask. So it's a mask for your face, but it is one of those like leave-on overnight masks. Oh, look at how small it is. You can use it for 15 to infinite minutes. So you can also use it as a wash-off mask. I definitely agree with their description. I haven't even opened up the seal, but I can smell that it is a very soft and powdery scent. I do really like it. And you can use it up to twice a week to cleanse skin. You can leave it on or you can wipe it off after 15 to 20 minutes. I think I would like to use it as a wipe-off mask. And what's good about this is that it is organic and vegan free, so it's definitely gonna help me towards trying to use more vegan products. Last thing in the box is a generous size item, and it is from the brand Vita Liberata. I've definitely heard this brand on YouTube before, and it is a self-tanning gradual lotion with marula oil. So it's a tanning lotion and it's a 50 ml bottle. I will not use this personally, but I'm definitely glad that it's such a good size. I can pass it on to someone else who will like it way more than me, and they definitely can see results from this, because this is way more enough for you to slowly try it out. So you can use it as a daily body moisturizer. It's one of those that like gradually tans your skin, and it says that there is no post-tan smell, which is good. So I'm going to pass this on to someone else. Not gonna open this up. So my overall thoughts on this month's box, really surprised because there's 7 items, which is more than what we usually get, but this is the item that I would not be using, so I would think of it as only getting 6 items in this box, but I can definitely put this into a giveaway, so that's good. And the thing I'm most excited about is this Studio Tan eyeshadow. Oh wow, it's dry. Oh, but it still kind of comes off. I can still see some sparklers on my hand, but once you set it, it should be no problem. It is totally dry and matte, so I'm really happy about that. I like this because I like makeup products. Second thing I'm excited about is this Superfood facial wash because it's from the brand Elemis, and I'm interested to try out more of their products. The third thing that I'm happy about is this Christophe Robin hair mask because it is for your hair and not another face product. So I really like this, and I really like the scent of this body cream, although it kind of has a tiny little bit weird smell after I rub it in, but I'm still gonna use it. Overall, I'm pleased with this month's box, and I generally like their beauty boxes because it gets me a chance to try out a lot of different things, cover my face, head, makeup. So it's pretty good. And I'm thinking of doing a sample roulette because I have gathered quite a number of sample products. So let me know what you think about it in the comments down below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!